Hello, in this lecture we will learn how to delete a record in the database. Now again, you have to be very careful when you are deleting or you are updating the records. So you have to be very careful, that's the disclaimer. And now let's move on into the deleting. So last time we had this record ID1 updated to new text and decimal test 21.21. So now let's copy the text again. Let's copy that and we will use the where statement again. So deleting is very simple. So you write delete. You write delete the full word, delete, and then you write the name of a database, test table, write delete, test table, where like that, not the ID but text test equals our value like that, new text. So as you can see, it's so simple, it's even scary. You just have delete the table name where some text or some value exists. So again, it's very important to use a where statement and to properly test it several times. And in fact, it's even better if you try to avoid this delete. No matter what you're doing, it's better to just avoid it. You can archive the tables, you can play around with that kind of a tactic to kind of free up the space, but at the same time not damage the security. So let's click execute. And as you can see, one row affected. So now if we select, we won't see that. We select all from test table like that. Let's execute. And you see the ID1 does not exist anymore. It has in fact been deleted. And that is how you delete the rows in the table. And with that, we will conclude this lecture.